This is the Arlo Pro 4. I just got it in the mail. Let's unbox it and see what it comes with. All right, so it comes with 3 cameras. It has 160 wide angle view. It has night vision and it connects to Wi-Fi. Here's what it looks like so far. It comes with a security sign and everything you need to install the security sign. It also comes with more stickers to place around your property. And here's the manual on how to install the cameras. And I'm very reassured that it's only like 2 pages, so it can't be that difficult. In addition to the 3 cameras, it comes with 4 batteries and a charging port. It comes with everything you need to install the cameras itself onto your doorway or wherever you're putting them. And then also a power source for your battery charger. These are what the cameras look like up close. This brand of camera came very highly recommended. Now, of course, I wish we had no need for security cameras, but we did have a pretty close call last week, and that's what prompted us to buy these cameras. We live in a duplex, and our tenant right next door has these cameras over her front door, and she was able to capture the entire incident on her security cameras. And let me tell you, that footage was crystal clear. Like, you could literally count the nose hairs on this man's nose. It was that clear. So of course we had to go with the same exact one that she had. And also this is one of the only top security cameras that comes in white, and we have a white door frame, so I did want it to kind of blend in. Anyways, I wish we didn't need this, but we do. So you guys stay safe out there.